Blockchain gaming is going to be huge in the next bull run. Headlines like this makes me think that I'm a little bit lacking in that area in my portfolio. It says the global blockchain gaming market size is expected to reach $104.5 billion by 2028. One of the projects that I really like is Altura. I'm going to show you what this project does for gaming and how you can stake it and farm it for passive income. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to find the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. Really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. All right, we're starting out on AlturaNFT.com as the Web3 infrastructure for games. Altura provides everything you need to integrate Web3 in a simple yet powerful platform. If we take a look here, the products, they do have multiple products. Marketplace is the first one that catches my eye here. You can actually play multiple different games on here. You can also trade NFTs. There's a bunch of different NFTs on here. But their marketplace isn't what they're after. They want you to build on their platform. So if you come down here, it says Altura provides everything you need to integrate Web3 into your game in a simple yet powerful platform so you can focus on what matters most, and that's building your game. Build with simple, powerful API and SDKs. Mint, integrate, update, and transfer NFTs in-game for free. No registration required. There's concise, easy-to-read documentation. And they integrate all these different programs onto it. And then it says integrate smart NFTs into your game. So smart NFT technology allows you to update NFTs instantly for free. Using Altura, you can build on any chain. So they're offering basically any chain that you want to build on. It looks like they have Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, AVAX, Phantom, Optimism. So scale with our community and marketplace. Promote your next hit to a community of thousands of gamers and list your NFTs on Altura's marketplace where they buy, sell, and trade every day. And it says monetize with safety and security. Altura's built-in authentication tools secure your NFT economy. Simplify user enrollment and instill trust with your player base. Altura Guard, they call it. Secure wallet generation and on-chain loot boxes. So definitely some really good use case in this project for sure. Let's take a look at the tokenomics. If we go to CoinGecko, it's 1 billion total tokens, 625,757,000 are in circulating supply. So that's almost 2/3 of the supply is circulating, which is good. Tiny market cap, $13.763 million market cap. Really small in my opinion for a project like this. If we look at all-time high is at 46.2 cents. That's already right now to all-time high is at 23x. All-time high was in, let's see, looks like November of 2021. So the height of the bull market. Yeah, this has got a lot of use case, good tokenomics. And we do have staking and farming, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I just think I'm underweight on gaming coins. You don't have to go big into like the games themselves. The coins like Axie Infinity is a good one. Some of these other ones that are specific games like Illuvium, you don't have to do that. You can also just do gaming types, gaming type coins like this one here, which is a building website for Web3 games. Also, another one is Veracity, which is one that I'm going to cover pretty soon as well. That is just kind of a universal gaming type coin. It doesn't have to be a specific game. CoinGecko now has these categories and top gaming coins by market cap. If we take a look here, they're calling it GameFi, and they're saying the whole market capitalization is 11.852 billion, which is tiny. The biggest one is ApeCoin, which is, you know, kind of surprising. They're saying ICP is part of it, Axie's third. I do have some Sandbox or Sand tokens. But Engine's another good one. But if we keep going down, there's some good ones in here. And then to get to where we're at with Altura, it's all the way down. Where was it at? 6? Altura is at 865. So there's some stuff like above it that I've never even really heard of. Townstar, I guess that must be a game. Splinterlands, or Splinter Shards. I heard of Splinter Lands, but not Shards. I just think there's going to be some in these in this category that just explode, that do 50 to 100x easy, because these market caps are tiny. So in the near future, I'm going to go over multiple gaming coins. I'm probably going to, you know, focus a lot on that. AI is another big category, but gaming is it's just got a long way to go, I think. There's a lot of undervalued projects that once, you know, one blows up, that other ones are going to follow like really quickly, because that's how it works. That's how it worked last bull run. That's how it'll work this bull run. And last bull run, like coins like D-Race, like Alex Becker would talk about it in a YouTube video, and the thing would go up 100% in a day. You know, that stuff's going to happen again. It is. It just is going to happen again. That's the way it works when everybody's bullish. They just buy into it. If somebody, you know, hypes a coin, it flies. So if we get ahead of the game and get some of these quality projects, and we're staking them and we're earning passive income and we're, you know, accumulating, that's going to be the way to make huge gains in the bull market. All right, enough of that. I just keep going on and on about it. But yeah, I'm going to start even looking down here, and these, like, some of these market caps on these gaming coins are like $500,000. I'm going to, you know, click on every single one of these and look at every single website on these, and kind of come back and do some videos on them. You know, some of these are moonshots, but some of them, you know, I could look on that website and it looks good. They could have a working game, or they could have a game coming out very soon. And that's what I'm going to do, and I'll continue to bring these projects to you. So make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to do a lot of research that you won't have to do. All right, let's get into the staking. It's right on their website on AlturaNFT.com. You go to products, you come down here to staking. Brings us to this page, and we're going to connect our MetaMask. You got to get this on PancakeSwap. You want to add your add the coin in through CoinGecko. That's what I always do. Can't stand the white. Okay, there we go. The space. That's nice. Okay. Yeah, the way I do it is I always go on to CoinGecko, and I like CoinMarketCap too, but CoinGecko is just my go-to, because you can copy and paste the token address real quick, and you can add it to MetaMask. Just click on the Fox and add it. So you have to go to PancakeSwap to get this currently. There might be a couple of exchanges that have it, but I got mine on PancakeSwap. It was very easy to get. So you go to staking. It's staking.alturanft.com. You come on here, connect your wallet, and I just bought a few hundred tokens. You know, 1,000 tokens is like $20. Yeah, I just, you know, it's crazy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and stake this. I'm not gonna do the liquidity pair on this. I want the straight token. I don't want any impermanent loss. You know, it's 7.61% APY, but that's, you know, 0.02% daily. It adds up over time. I'm not sure. We're in like a nice bounce right now. I don't think we're in a bull market at all, but any stretch of the imagination, I think it's just a it could be. It just I don't believe it yet. So okay, so we're gonna deposit all. we are going to spend a little bit of BNB, and we're going to deposit our ALU token. Okay, we're in. We're all deposited. We're earning APY currently. If you want to buy it, you just hit this buy ALU right on this site here, and it'll take you right to PancakeSwap. Then you can import the token and then swap BNB or BUSD or whatever coin you need to swap for. I could do it real quick. I'll actually buy a little bit more. I'm pretty bullish on it. So 0.05 BNB is 736 tokens. Wow. It's if you guys weren't around for the last bull market, and just you wake up one day and something's up 30% or 40%. It's just insane. So, this token can fly. Tokens under, 1 billion total supply, they move quick. All right, let's go back here, and I'll go ahead and stake these two. So, pause it all. Stake. If you guys have a project, a gaming, any type of project that you think I'm missing out on, just please leave it in the comments, especially gaming and on this one. Yeah, leave in the comments. I'm always open to look at new projects. Because sometimes if they don't have staking, I don't like to do them in the bear market. Because you hold a token and it's doing nothing. To me, that's kind of a waste where I can put my capital somewhere else where I am earning APY or APR somewhere else. That's that. We're all deposited. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.